Today I'm teaching parts of the body in Somali and English. Eye, il in Somali, hair, timo, head, madah, nose, sun, mouth, af, ear, dago, shoulder, garab, chest, this is chest, habat, hand, gun, thigh, bodo, leg, lugo, shoes, kabo, elbow, this one is elbow, husul, mouth, af, teeth, ilko, neck, garab, wrist, kalagoisi, fingers, faro, knee, lo, yo, jilb. Thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe and share.